Welcome to Reviews Plus. I hope you guys have been enjoying our reviews. Today we have a new product for you guys. It's the watch band from Fullmosa. We got it on Amazon. It's for the Apple smartwatch. I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys and just tell you and also I'll install it and then you guys can see. I'm going to just tell you what I liked about it because this band is actually really, really nice. So the product comes with a manual and it's really good because it just explains everything when it comes to detaching it and how to install it. So we'll go through that now. It comes with an invitation card. It's just telling you kind of like they have customer service 24/7. We can always contact them. And also probably to leave them a review. Now it comes with the tailband and also the headband and then a little tool in the middle. So as you can see, this is the orange color, but it also comes, you can also switch it and make it into black. So that's a really nice feature of it. It's a two colors sided. So you can see that like this tool, you'll be able to use it to remove this part here and also to remove this. But what's nice about it is that you don't actually really need to use this tool for here because they have that little click. So you would just do that. Sorry, a little flimsy. So you do that and it just comes out. So it's great. So then you can just flip it and use it the other way because they have the little rubber here to stay on your hands. So I'll show you guys how I install it. So just put it back. So now to install it, just so you know, this part here is silver because that's the part that actually clicks. So you'll hear it when it clicks. Well, you might not actually hear it, but it does click. And then take the other one and you just also slide it in. Oops. Okay, just like that. So what's really nice about this watch is that this band, sorry, it's really lightweight. It's nice. You don't even feel that it's on your hand, to be honest, because the ones that do come with it, the silicone ones that you buy, like that's with the Apple Watch, I feel just a little bit heavier. So this one is a lightweight band, and it just looks really crisp, really nice. Just for casual days. So it's something I do recommend. I do like this brand. I've bought a couple of bands from them and they've just always given me good quality and also nice styles. So I do recommend this brand. It is the Fullmosa. So I just want to give you guys a quick little tip, which I found out after getting a couple of bands. Like my husband, I got this actually for him. So he has like a really nice band that he likes. So this is like a real genuine leather. He really likes this one. But it goes to a certain watch. So he just removed it from his old watch and then he realized that with the clicks right here, you can actually do the same thing with it. So all you would have to do really for it is just to remove it from here, from the little click, move it out. And then you can, if it doesn't actually have these little pins, you can actually use the tools and insert it. So we're just gonna put like this. Okay, now it's in. So you can see that it's now a different type. So it's really cool that you could actually do this with your own watch bands if you have them at home. So it's a little tip or something just different if you didn't want to buy too many bands. And that's the review for the Fullmosa watch band. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video and little tutorial of the watch band. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.